How's it going, guys? In this video, we are going to learn about questions word. But before I start, please give your like in this video. You can also save it for you to watch later, or even share with your friends if you want. Now, let's move on. Questions word. We can also name it as WA questions. They are adverbs and they can help to build some common questions in English. So, WA questions. Who, whom, whose, which, what, where, why, when, how. Now, let's see the meaning and some examples. Who? It talks about the person doing an action. For example, who is that pretty girl? Who told you about the accident? Who was talking to you? Whom? It talks about the object doing some action. For example, who did you meet at the party? With who did you Rose go? At room where you speak just now. Whose? It talks about something that belongs to somebody. For example, whose book is this? Whose boots are those? Which? Asking for information, specifying one or more people or things from the defined set. For example, which are these easiest lessons? Which shirt do you prefer, the blue one or the red one? What? Asking information, specifying something. For example, what did you say? What would you like to drink? Where? In or to what place or position? For example, where did you spend your holidays? Where are you going tonight? Why? Asking for reasons. Why did you run away? Why don't you come with us? When? At what time? For example, when was this building put up? When did you arrive? And finally, how? In what way or manner? For example, how did you manage to do that? How's your family? Expressions with what? What else? What so? What's the matter? What's up? What wreck? What do you get at? What a fright. What's happening? What for? Or for what? What a bad mood. What's going wrong? Whatever. What's over? Whatever happens. Expressions with how. How long? How old? How far? How late? How many? How much? However? How often? How hard? Some common questions. What books do you like? What could you stand? What does it mean? Who is study with? How does your project work? Expressions with where, why, when. Wherever. Meet me wherever you like. Wherefore. She asked me for secret. Whatever, I will keep him. why ever. Why ever you someone do that for emphatic form of why. Whenever. You can ask for help whenever you need it. So that's all. I hope you enjoy it. See you!